Entertaining is a breeze in this casual contemporary open split floor plan. Impressive screened salt water pool home. Natural gas, stainless appliances, pantry. Neutral decor with oversized porcelain tile floors on the diagonal, granite counters, crackle subway tile backsplash in kitchen. Master has soaking tub, double sink vanity, separate oversized tiled walk-in shower, his and her walk-in closets. Full bay window in bedroom 2. Den/guest room have pocket doors. Covered patio makes for all-weather entertaining. Relaxing covered front porch for long naps. Walk to town and make sure to stop by the impressive Butterfly Park for a picnic, and watch an outdoor movie or just relax and count the butterflies. Basic cable, high-speed internet, community pool, dog park, playground, clubhouse.